This does not just look good, it works good. Let's not just imagine what this would do for your hair. Let's go ahead and create this amazing hair butter that will transform and take your hair growth journey to new heights. So, without further ado, let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Rama. Today we are making another hair butter, and the main butter we are using today is Shea Butter. Shea Butter is a very moisturizing butter for your hair. It will help seal your cuticles, increase your hair elasticity, which will help you stop breakage. Once you measure out the quantity that you need, the only thing next that you need to do is to take this to a warm bath to let this melt naturally. Here our oil is all melted. It's time to add other oils. The first oil I'm adding is almond oil. Almond oil promotes blood flow to the roots, encouraging hair growth and strengthening it. It also is a great source of biotin, helping to stimulate keratin production. Besides thickening and regrowing hair, it reactivating dormant follicles. The next oil I'm adding is my hair growth oil. I will leave the link for this video on how I make this oil in the description box. This oil is fully loaded with all the nutrients and natural ingredients that will accelerate your hair growth journey. Once your oils are all mixed together, the next thing you need to do is go ahead and refrigerate your oil. I do not put my butter in the freezer. I put it inside the refrigerator, and this was about an hour, where it will become completely solid but not as rock solid. And this is the best way for me to get the fluffy consistency that I am looking for when it comes to my butters. In your hand mixer, and you start whipping this butter until you get to that fluffy. It will start increasing in volume and getting lighter and lighter until you get that perfect consistency. At this point, it is time to add some oils that will preserve our butter. I am adding some vitamin E oil. It is an antioxidant that will preserve all our oil content. I'm also adding some essential oil, and I will add all these oils inside the description box, so refer to the description box for all the products that I use today. The essential oils are very optional. You don't have to. You can add them just for increasing stimulation to your scalp or for fragrance, wherever is up to you. When you're done adding your oils, you want to go ahead and give it another last round of mixing until you get everything mixed into your your butter. Just look at this butter. It just looks so yummy. It looks like something I want to put in my bread. But it's not for eating. This is for your hair, and it will do wonders. Guys, if this is your first time here or you are returning and you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Join the family. In this channel, I do DIY videos on hair, skin. I also share some few hairstyles here and there. So join the family, support my channel, and I will gladly appreciate it. It is time for your your butter. I don't know why I keep saying oil. It is time for your butter to be used. So you can keep this wherever you want to keep it, in any container. Just make sure it has a lid to cover it, and you can use this on your scalp as well as your hair. This will give you amazing results and fast. It is very moisturizing. It will help you retain length and grow your hair faster than you anticipated. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to share, like, and comment. Leave me comments if you have any question. I really appreciate you guys being here. Please hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.